In the meantime, talk about how the BJP is now reacting, hitting back at Dr. Tharoor's claim. Amit Malviya cites the MHA guidelines, saying that the full version is not optional. As BJP is now backing the mandatory rendition protocol, saying that the MHA rules are explicit on Vande Mataram and the national observance is not optional. Now, this is coming in from several other BJP leaders as well. So Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP is connected with us. Pradeep, good morning. Mandatory, optional, this seems to be a point of view as far as the Kerala government in the state is concerned, saying that singing all the verses of the national song seems to be unnecessary.
Well, Congress party will find anything which is patriotic and to do with freedom struggle as unnecessary because it has today become the Muslim League Maowadi Congress. Recall that this is not the Congress which is running the government in Kerala. It is the Muslim League which is running the government in Kerala, which chooses Sharia first, constitution later, which chooses Sharia first, nationalism later. So Tharoor is speaking the language of the Muslim League, and today the Congress has surrendered itself to the fringe elements, and the government of Kerala is pandering to those. Vande Mataram was, is and will always remain essential to India's freedom struggle, and it, as the governor highlighted, it's not about being optional, it is about something. Patriotism comes from within. The Congress is optional on patriotism, and this is why the Congress is sitting in opposition in the country for the third consecutive time.
All right. Thank you, Pradeep, for your point of view. Let's connect with Mr. Rashid Alvi, also of the Congress party. Sir, good morning. The BJP says, is patriotism optional for the Congress party?
Where was patriotism before 1947? It was no patriotism. Then entire RSS was supporting foreigners. So it is very unfortunate. If anybody wants to interested in Vande Mataram, it is all right. No, but how can you put pressure on anybody? You know, more than 1 crore people are outside the country. They are working there. In Dubai, in Saudi Arabia, in Kuwait. If in all these countries they say that patriotism is just to recite Quran, and everybody will have to.
No, but sir, if the
Quran.
MHA has issued comprehensive guidelines on singing the national song Vande Mataram, mandating the full 6-stanza official version at all official events, that requires to be sung before the national anthem, then where is the controversy?
You know, it is the question. Constitution gives permission to every citizen of this country to follow his or her own religion. If a particular community thinks that something is against the religion, then why are you putting pressure on that community? It is a secular country. You can't put pressure on anybody that no, you have to recite it. What will you get
But
out of it?
secularism over patriotism, that seems to be the question that the BJP seems to be raising over the rendition of half of Vande Mataram to be sung at public events. Thank you very much, Mr. Rashid Alvi, for your point of view. Of course, when we speak of the centre's guidelines, the MHA's guidelines, Vande Mataram is mandatory when it comes to Central's guidelines on the national song. The national song is to be played before the national anthem, and the mandate applies to all government events and schools. All persons must stand when Vande Mataram is being played, and this is a 3-minute and 10-second version of the song that is to be recited, with all of the 6 stanzas of Vande Mataram to be played at events, 4 stanzas that were dropped by the Congress back in 1937 to be included, and any person creating disruption can be also sentenced to jail. Well, that is now coming across as far as the MHA guidelines are concerned. So, you know, what do you do when you have to catch the news right here on the move? Well, that is where Times Now has you covered. Times Play, the all-in-one OTT streaming platform that is developed by the Times Network that uniquely blends premium digital video entertainment with real-time news broadcasting. And you can catch your favorite news channel on Times Play, which is available on Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.